Hello students, this is Purvi here. Today we are going to talk about the chapter 4 from economics book Indian Economic Development, that is poverty. Now what is poverty? Poverty is the inability to fulfill the minimum requirement of life like food, clothing, housing, education and health facilities, etc. Types of poverty. Now, there are two broadly types of poverty. First is relative poverty and second is absolute poverty. Now, relative poverty refers to the poverty of people in comparison to the other people in different region or nations. Say for example, if you are comparing Gujarat or Uttar Pradesh, or if you are comparing India and Pakistan, then that is considered as relative poverty. While absolute poverty refers to total number of people living below the poverty line. Now, the Indian government has set a standard figure below which people fall into that category are known as people in below poverty line. So, comparing with the BPL, it is known as absolute poverty. Absolute poverty. Absolute poverty is measured on the basis of two criteria, that is minimum calories consumption criteria and minimum consumption expenditure criteria. Let us discuss about these two. Minimum calories consumption criteria. People who are not getting 2400 calories per person per day in rural areas and 2100 calories in urban area is considered to be living below poverty line. Minimum consumption expenditure criteria. The new poverty line thus translates to a monthly per capita consumption expenditure of Rs 972 in rural areas and of Rs 1407 in urban areas in 2011 and 12, or Rupee 32 in rural areas and Rupee 47 in urban areas on a per capita daily basis. Poverty line. Poverty line refers to that line which expresses per capita average monthly expenditure that is essentially required by the people to satisfy their minimum needs. As per Tendulkar Committee, poverty line is estimated in monthly basis as 816 rupees in rural areas and 1000 rupees in urban areas. People who are not able to earn even such amount in a month are considered below poverty line. According to a survey, approx 22% population in India is below poverty line. Estimation of poverty line. Calories based estimation. Now for rural area intake, calorie was estimated as 2400 calories and for urban area it is 2100 calories. In 1999 and 2000, new ways of measuring started, that is monthly per capita expenditure. Now it estimates for rural area as consumption worth at 816 rupees per person and for urban areas at 1000 rupees per person. Presently, as per Tendulkar Committee. Government's approach to combat poverty. Now, government is trying to fight poverty by enhancing economic growth, specific programs for poverty alleviation and fulfilling minimum needs of the poor. Vicious circle of poverty. It refers to situation of self-reinforcing forces in which there are certain factors that are related in a circular way and results in continuation of poverty and underdevelopment. Causes of poverty. Now, poverty is caused by rapid increase in population, low level of national product, rise in price, unemployment, low rate of growth, capital deficiency, rural indebtedness, exploitation under British rule, low education, inflationary pressure, high level of migration from rural areas, and failure to implement land reforms. Now, the government has adopted various measures to remove poverty like Food for Work program, Swarna Jayanti Gram Swarojgar Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Gram Udyay Yojana, Sampurna Gramin Rojgar Yojana, Swarna Jayanti Shahari Rozgar Yojana, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme, and Jawahar Gram Samriddhi Yojana. Now, programs adopted by government to help elderly and poor people as well as destitute women. Government has adopted programs like National Social Assistance Program, which includes National Old Age Pension Scheme, National Family Benefit Scheme, National Maternity Benefit Scheme, Annapurna Yojana, and on-the-job training. So students, this was the chapter 4 Poverty from Indian Economic Development in brief. Thank you.